Hello, my name is Willie Lindsay, and this is a presentation on conducting a chi-squared test of independence. The agenda, focal area for this presentation are chi-squared testing usefulness, and then an analysis of the three chi-squared tests that we conducted, then a wrap-up of the key takeaways. Chi-squared. According to the website chi-squared test application, the chi-squared test is used to compare group values using categorical data. Categorical data or nominal data does not use numbers for distinctions but appropriate group labels. A factor not to be overlooked is that just like all other statistical testing, chi-square gives insight to relationships and their significance, whether the outcome is due to chance or not due to chance. A Ling 2008 article states the chi-square test is called the goodness of fit statistic because it measures how well the observed distribution of data fits with the distribution that is expected if the variables are independent. A significant result found. Only one of the three chi-square tests provided a significant result. That was test number 3. Here the following correlation was conducted. The null hypothesis, there's no relationship between the number of car payments per month and self-reported comfort level. The alternative hypothesis, there is a relationship between the number of car payments per month and self-reported comfort level. The chi-square statistic and its p-value were calculated using PSPP, assuming alpha equals 0.05. A relationship emerged where the chi-squared statistic is calculated at 9 degrees of freedom, the number of participants equal 150, arriving at a value of 450.00, p equals 0.000, and Kramer's V equals 1. Kramer's V indicated a very strong relationship, meaning perfectly symmetric, which is very rare. The independent variable perfectly predicts the independent variable. No significant result found. Next, we see a no significant result found. The following correlational test was conducted. The null hypothesis, there is no relationship between the number of car payments per month and the number of defaults. The alternative hypothesis, there is a relationship between the number of car payments per month and the number of defaults. The chi-square statistic and its p-value were calculated using PSPP, assuming alpha equals 0.05. No relationship emerged where the chi-squared statistics calculated at 6 degrees of freedom, the number of participants equal 150, arriving at a value of 6.68, p equals 0.351. No significant result found. Finally, we see the last no significant result found. The following correlational test was conducted. The null hypothesis, there is no relationship between the self-reported comfort level and the number of defaults. The alternative hypothesis, there is a relationship between the self-reported comfort level and the number of defaults. The chi-squared statistics and its p-value were calculated using PSPP, assuming alpha equals 0.05. No relationship emerged where the chi-squared statistic is calculated at 6 degrees of freedom, number of participants equal 150, arriving at a value of 6.68, p equals 0.351. So our key takeaways. In chi-squared testing, we start with categorical variables, then we test for relational significance. And where significance is found, we end with the application of Kramer's V for the goodness of fit measure of association between two nominal values. This concludes the presentation. I thank you for your attention. Please leave questions and comments in the section below.